Alright, looks like everything is cleared up. And we got that piston right there with a new seal ready to be pushed in. I cleaned it up, greased it with hydraulic fluid. Kind of a messy job. Sure bits. Staying in bed and doing nothing. Alright, now I push that piston in. You see, nice and tight. Real tight. Perfect. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. Number 2 is ready to be rebuilt. So what we're gonna do is do the same exact thing on the top, clear it up. There's another one in the box here. I'm gonna put a new seal in and forget about the pain in the tuchus of getting those bubbles out. Let's not go there now. Let's still take the first step before we go to the tuchus step.